A time series graphs a graphs something over basically its measurements of some variable over a specific interval of time. So I'm looking at the walking and jogging exercise for 20 weeks, and for each week you record the distance covered in 30 minutes. Your data log is shown below. Make a time series graph. So I'm looking at this over. I'm looking at the time or the distance traveled over this week span. So what I'm going to do is my week is going to be my x, my distance is going to be my y, and so I'm going to start by making an L chart. I'm going to make a long kind of L chart here. It's going to take up some room. And so on the x-axis, I'm going to put my weeks, so it'll be 1 to 20. I'm going to plot each one. Might not need all this room. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that's about right. So those are my weeks, or week. And on the y, I'll put distance. So I'm going to go up from 1 to 3. So I'm going to go up to 3 because I don't have any higher than 3. So this is my distance here. I might put in miles. Okay. So you set up the graph, and then all you're going to do now is plot the points. So 1, 1.5, 2, 1.4, 3, 1.7, 4, 1.6, 5, 1.9, 6, 2, 7, 1.8, 8, 2, 9, 1.9, 10, 2, 11, 2.1, 12, 2.1, 13, 2.3, 14, 2.3, 15, 2.2, 16, 2.4, 17, 2.5, 2.6, 2.4, and then 2.7. Okay, so you make the dots, you plot the points, and then you connect the dots. So you're going to connect the dots here. Connect. Thanks. So you connect the dots, and this is going to be your graph. So with this trend, you could study kind of the over time how much you've walked and jogged in minute or the distance you've traveled, and so you could see that kind of over time that she has increased her distance that she's traveled.